Hey, what's going on, guys? I have the Honor 9X Pro right here, and it's actually getting a software update. So I want to install that for you, but first let me just show you what software I'm actually running on this device. But I definitely have been liking this device so far. It has an 8nm chip with the Kirin processing chip. So you can see right here the new loading of software is coming in, allowing it EMUI 10.1 to deliver fine-tuned, high-quality user experience. And let me just show you what that entails here. It gives you a knuckle gesture, a multi-window right here, and then you can get dark mode, battery optimization, and performance optimization. It's actually a really nice update that's going to happen, but let me just wait for that to load. I'll pause the video. It says here that the update will actually be 3 GB at the top. Alright, so when I read this thing in a little bit more detail, you can actually use one knuckle to tap and it'll start to create a screenshot, and 2 knuckles will do a screen record. It gives you a more optimized split screen and floating window. You can, while watching videos and playing games, you can swipe in and from the edge of the screen to display the multi-window dock. So the security, I'm on May 1st, so this update should actually give me different options, like as far as security, but we'll see if it updates the software as well. But okay, so the software is now complete, guys, and it's running. It's gonna ask you to agree to the statement update, which is going to be right here. So basically all you want to do is hit that check mark option and then enter finish. So it's going to go through all the features with you right here in this screen. So you can see right here it has the knock twice on the screen to take an ordinary screenshot, or knock and draw an S to take a scrolling screenshot, and then to capture part of the screen instead, knock and draw in the closed area to start screen recording. You can knock twice on the screen with 2 knuckles. So there's a lot of cool features there implemented just with like a knock. You get the knock with 2 knuckles to start a screenshot, and then you get a effortless multitasking. So I'm gonna actually show you how that works when I'm finished talking about it. But basically you're gonna get a floating apps when you're in games. You could still like use apps as they're floating over the game, which is crazy. So I'll show you how that works. It says right here me time, which we don't really use, and then you get like a new dark mode for more third-party apps will be compatible with the dark mode, like Instagram and stuff like that, and everything that you're normally not gonna get dark mode with. But let's just go ahead and take a look at right here. You can see we are on July 1st, so that was updated on this update, which is really cool. So other than that, some more other cool features that I want to show you right here have to do with the overall screen performance now. So let's open an app and then do the side scroll right here, and then that brings out the smart option right there. You can see it pops out, and then you get your options right here. You can add the apps right there. So then once that pops out, you can add as many apps on that side scroll like that you would normally use. So it's really cool because all you would have to do is swipe your finger across the screen and hold it for like a second, and then you'll see all the apps appear on the side, and then you can just start adding the ones that you definitely would like to use. And then once you're done adding all the apps, you can hit done, and then you can see that they're all going to be there, and then you can just simply slide one of them down below, and that's how you would get to your multitasking window from the side scroll, or but right here you can see that they're giving you directions for how to enter multitasking for when you're inside scroll. So I definitely think that's really cool. But You get floating window as well, which I'm going to show you. So basically how the floating window app is working is you slide right there. You could slide it where you can hold this portion, and then actually it pops out right here. So you get like it's your own app, and that floats over top of whatever you're doing. So you can easily just, you know, click that button while you're gaming or watching a video or something like that at the same time simultaneously, which is pretty cool because let's say you're on a phone call or something like that, you could just do one of those quick motions and pop out Google or Google Maps or you know, something like that. So I think it's really going to be convenient. And then basically you just have to hold it to get it to go back. Now this engine basically got a tune up. Basically they cleaned it out, repositioned some things, put everything back into place correctly, but made it able to work a little bit, operate, have a little bit extra features, as well as this smart charge feature, which is going to adapt to your charge routines. And it will basically, you know, delay charge when you're at 100%, stuff like that. So you get this smart side scroll feature, which will float apps over top of other ones. And you can basically get to, like, say you're using Google Maps while you're talking to someone or while you're watching a video. You could do two things at once without leaving the screen, and then you can simply enter multitasking menu by holding the app and just dragging it down below now. So this is something new on Android for basically the Huawei and Honor phones, how they implemented that, but other companies like Xiaomi and Realme, as well as Oppo, and you know, like I even think OnePlus is doing it as well. So you know everybody's trying to implement these like side scroll features. I know Samsung has had the side scrolls for quite some time now. But one of the other things is that the optimization is just really nice now. It has a really nice flow to it. Any slight touch, you can see that it's gonna you're gonna see the screen react to any slight movement. Right here you can see that the navigation screen is really optimized well. So I noticed that it was just really nice to navigate through. But hopefully you guys did find this information helpful. But if you did, make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys later.